Greetings, citizens of the world. In a stunning move straight out of the Twilight Zone, and out of control, liberal activist judge has doggedly refused to throw out a conviction against former Maricopa County Sheriff Joe Arpaio, whom President Donald Trump pardoned last month, demanding instead that both Arpaio and the Justice Department first convince her. In a filing Thursday, U.S. District Judge Susan R. Bolton wrote she wasn't convinced that she could scrub the guilty verdict from Arpaio's record, reported The Washington Post. Instead, she signaled she was considering simply dropping the criminal case but letting the conviction stand, unless the government can persuade her otherwise. As noted by John F. Banzhaf III, a professor of public interest law at the George Washington University Law School, this shocking move reeks of heavy-handed judicial activism, namely, a specific type he refers to as Trump law. It's a method of judging cases which is aimed specifically at countering some of the practices of President Trump, even if this development means creating new legal principles and/or overlooking, or at least minimizing, other established ones, he explained for Law News. Following Arpaio's pardon last month, his attorneys rightly asked Bolton to dismiss the case against him and vacate the conviction for criminal contempt of court he had received 2 months prior for willfully ignoring a federal judge's order by continuing to enforce immigration laws. Moreover, the Trump administration joined this effort by filing papers calling the case moot and demanding the court vacate its ruling and all other rulings in the case. By essentially rebutting their requests, Bolton is flying in the face of a 1925 Supreme Court decision which unanimously upheld a presidential pardon for a criminal contempt of court sentence, exactly the unusual type of pardon involved here, according to Banzhaf. She's also flying in the face of common procedure. The government appears to agree with the defendant, but furnishes no authority conferring so broad a scope to orders of vacatur issued under similar circumstances, she said Thursday. Apparently, Judge Bolton, who was nominated